Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, children. Let's start with the content
Morning, ma'am.
for today.
Good morning,
So,
ma'am.
good
Good
morning, beta.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I just want to take the review from all of you, revise the thing what I have taught yesterday. That is some important terms I have explained yesterday, right?
Yes,
Of,
ma'am.
collection of data. So, Tisha Gomber,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, you were there in the class yesterday.
No, ma'am.
Very good. Keep it up. Uh, Yashika Agrawal. Yashika Agrawal.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible. You were there in the class yesterday. So will you please tell me what were the different terms I have explained yesterday before I start with the class, and make it fast, beta.
Sorry, ma'am, but I don't remember because I wasn't feeling well. So I just attended the classes. I was not too attentive in the class.
Yashika, do you know every time I'm getting all this excuses from your side?
No, ma'am, I'm not keeping well since a week. So I'm really sorry for that. But I'll give the recap tomorrow of today's class if it is okay.
Devansh Garg. Devansh Garg. Yashika, I just want to give you last warning for everything. If you will again reply me the same excuses, please do not attend my class from next onwards. Whatever your problem will be, I don't want to listen to your problem. If you are here in the class, if you are listening me, uh, then you have to reply me. Otherwise, please don't come to my class. I will not give you attendance. I'm telling you this. Don't come to my class for the sake of the attendance. Leave my class. Gurnur.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep.
Yesterday we discussed few key terms. First one was variable, which means the value which keeps changing, and it is also represented as x, y, and z. The
Very good.
next key term, the next key term which we have discussed variable is called observation. Then we discussed data, which means collection of numerical facts. Then we had discussed statistical investigation, in which collection of data is done through statistical method. Then we
Okay,
discussed
okay, okay, Gurnur. Okay, okay, beta. Okay, thank you very much. Good. Gurnur, very good. Keep it up. Manlat, Mananlat. Mananlat. चला गया क्लास के बाहर. Good, great. Ritika Singh. Ritika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Some of the other terms apart from what Gurnoor had just explained.
Yes, ma'am. So, she explained till where? Statistic investigation.
That she had already said, statistical investigation. The rest of
Okay,
other
then-
terms.
Then it is investigators. That is the person who conducts statistical investigation. Then it's enumerators. They are the person
Very
who
good.
helps investigator in collection of data. Then it's
Very good.
respondents, the person from whom statistical information is collected. And then it's statistical unit, the items on which measurements are taken.
Okay. And what about, okay, fine. Okay, Shirsh, you have still more terms.
Yes, ma'am.
Shirsh. Yeah, please explain.
Yes, ma'am. And after investigators, we learned about enumerators, in which a person who helps investigator in the collection of data. And then we learned about respondents, in which the person who has formed statistical information is collected from that person. And then
Respondent is also known as a informant. Shirsh, wait a minute. Respondent is also known as a informant. Please write it down. Okay, don't get confused. If suppose I give you informant, okay, and you say ma'am informant तो बताया नहीं आपने हमें, क्योंकि जनरली ऐसा ही होता है, जितना बताया जाता है उतना लर्न कर लेते हैं. बेटा informant and respondent, both of them are similar. Okay, this all I think this all have been done by Ritika. Apart from this, respondent, enumerator, investigator, apart from this.
Yes, ma'am. Then we have sources of data and other key term.
Yeah, tell me which
In
are
which
the
we
other.
have the other key term is population or the universe, which means the totality of the items
Exactly.
under the study. Here we have a
Very
sample
good.
of it also, which refers to a group of
Very good.
section of the population from which information is obtained. Then we have
Very
another
good.
good
Next.
sample, which is smaller than the population and is capable for providing accurate information about whatever the population is lower or cost at lesser time. Then we have sources of data,
Great.
in which we have learned about two types of data, which is primary and secondary data. Primary data informs that when the enumerator
Very good.
collected the
Very
data.
good. Wait a minute, Sheesh. Thank you very much. Sheesh, thank you. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Thank you very much. Beautifully explained. Very good, Sheesh. Keep it up, beta. Keep it up.
Okay, ma'am.
Naman Kankarya, the next two very important source of data, which are they? The two important source of data. Gone. Naman? Naman, are you there in the class? Okay, Kashish Kapdi.
Yes, ma'am. The two important sources of data are primary data and secondary data. Primary data is when you collect the data by yourself or conduct an inquiry or an investigation yourself. It's based on a first-hand information. Secondary data is when somebody else have collected data and you use it for your own purpose or maybe investigations. That is basically known as second-hand information.
Okay, no problem. Fine. Now, okay, beta. Okay, thank you, Kashish. Thank you very much. You are actually not properly audible to us. पता नहीं क्या आज network issue तो रहेगा because of this rain.
Was I not
rainfall
audible?
की वजह से हो सकता है कि नो बेटा आप मेरे को ऑडिबल नहीं हो रहे थे, मेरे ख्याल से मे बी मेरा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो अब मैं तुम लोग को बताऊंगी. या यू clearly you have explained. I hope this Naman Kankaria, why you are not responding to me, Naman Kankaria? Naman Kankaria, I'm removing him from the class.
Ma'am, Pariti has raised her hand.